Ugh. They're home early? I was hoping to have the apartment to myself for a while before they got home. Should I leave and chill at the bar for a while? Nah, I'm too tired for that. I'll just make some small talk and go to bed. What are you doing home this early? Did you get fired or something? I was just trying to have a simple conversation with you. But no. I guess I can't ask you anything without pissing you off. Ugh. You know what? I'm so fed up with your bullshit. Just because we had that little situationship a year ago doesn't give you the right to just avoid me and treat me like shit. In fact, I was the one who got hurt in the end while you ran off with someone else. You broke my heart, broke my trust. You broke me to the very core. If it wasn't for this lease, I would have been gone by now. I'm just so. Yeah, I I might be a little hungry, but it's whatever. I'll warm up some leftovers from yesterday. You made extra food? It's been so long since you've made anything for anyone. I'm honestly surprised. As much as I hate you right now, I can't deny free food. I'll set the table. Hey, I'm sorry for lashing out at you earlier. I mean, I have every right to be mad at you, but I didn't mean to yell so much. Today was just a long day at work and I'm a little bit hangry. It's just some case I've been working on for the past few months. Do you know that serial killer that's been on the loose? He gave himself the nickname Eyelessness or something like that. Yeah, it was another one of his victims. We're getting closer to catching them. I can feel it. However, trying to match all of the clues together and everything is such a pain. I can already feel my hair just turning gray from thinking about the paperwork. I don't want to bore you with the long details and rant about my stress at work, but it's whatever. I'm more curious about you right now. I know you're a chef, but it's super rare to see you cook something at home. Is there a reason why? I can see how much you put your heart and soul into cooking. I can only imagine the stress that goes through your head when you have to make food for strangers. I do think your cooking is amazing, though. This meal you made tonight, it's absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10 is what I'd give it. This might just be me grasping at the unknown, but why did you make extra food? Were you expecting me to eat dinner with you tonight or something? Y- you wanted to say sorry about the past. Oh, I was not expecting that. I'm gonna be honest with you. Even though shit hit the fan back then, I'm glad we can still be roommates. I don't fully trust you with my emotions and feelings, but I do trust you with paying your part of the rent. Anyways, thank you again for the food. It was really amazing, and I loved every bit of it. This might be a bit weird to ask, but you want to chill with me on the balcony? You want to know something funny? Any normal person would have blocked you and cut you out of their lives after the shit that you pulled on me back then. But look at us now. We live under the same roof as roommates, and you made food for both of us. Something you've never done before, and now we're hanging out on the balcony. It's just like old times. Feels kind of nice. In a weird, delusional way. Okay, smartass. No need to be technical with me. Must be a chef thing, I guess. The lease might be the reason why we're still roommates, but I think I'm starting to become fine with it. Fine with us sharing a place together. This might seem weird, but don't take it out of context, okay? I'm honestly thankful for tonight. I'm thankful that you're still here, too, in my life. I'm not saying that I forgive your past actions, but I'm willing to give our possible friendship another shot when the time is right. And if you're willing to do the same as well. Hey, I can be nice. The only reason I get crabby and mad is from work and being hangry. I swear. The reason I'm saying all of this is because I think it's time for us to be adults and fix what we can fix. I'm not sure what that entails, but maybe one of these days we can sit down and talk about it more. I get it. We all make mistakes in our lives, and most of the time, we don't get second chances. But I'm willing to give you a second chance with our friendship. I know that's a bit much to take in, but what do you think? Right. Maybe friendship would be taking things a bit fast. I like what you're thinking, though. Let's work on making our living situation less chaotic. Damn, I thought I was the smart one. It's getting late. I'm sure we both have to get up early tomorrow for work. I'm gonna go shower and crash out. Don't stay up too late, okay? And thanks for dinner. You really are the best chef in the world. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. I hope you are having a wonderful day, night, whatever. Um, so that was today's audio. Um, I did manage to catch a few bloopers. And yeah. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the bloopers, and if you are, looking forward to more content, then I am excited to say that it will be coming out. Um but yeah, the bloopers today were just kind of interesting. I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but I actually messed up the serial killer's eyes. I, name. I'm sorry. See, I even mess things up when I'm speaking regularly. So the serial killer's name was actually Eyelessness, but I messed it up. I totally messed it up, and I didn't feel like trying to say it again. So yeah, you can have fun laughing at me all you want. Hopefully, you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. It's just some case I've been working on for the past few months. Do you know that silly? I'm willing to give you a second chance from just a second chance with our friendship. I totally messed that up. I don't remember where I was supposed to be speaking from.